So I'm actually very excited. I just got back from the Costco's and I got there about 30 minutes earlier, and I decided to stop by the Goodwill, which was right next door, and I found this. Just the way it was for 10 bucks. I was like, holy crap. It doesn't even look like it was open. So I am super excited to see how this is. All right, so it doesn't even look like. Look at this thing. Not a scratch on it. Holy cow. Uh-oh. Yo. Set date and time. Is this touchscreen? Oh. Alright, so I just put an SD card in there, set the time, and we'll see how this looks. So it definitely gives you that 2000s vibe on there, but I'm actually pretty excited about it. Let's see, does it look pretty good? Yeah, I would think so. I mean, it's no Sony AX53, but oh man, this is pretty neat. What do you think, puppy? Chihuahua, what do you think? She don't care. She not having it.